So here is the shirt I just received from Klein, and it's a Dri-Fit stretchable polyester, and pretty lightweight and pretty in itself as well. Klein Performance, a typical girly pink, and with reflective Klein text at the front. You can see at the back it's highly breathable. It's a Dri-Fit technology for athletic performance, and you can use that for a lifestyle as well in summers. The Care logo by Klein, with all the necessary details you might be requiring to hold on to this product for years. A very stretchable material they have used here. You can see a lot of stretch and a lot of softness with this Dri-Fit technology that helps your body breathe during summers. Great product indeed.